Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the AOCHUAN M2 Pro. In the world of mobile videography, choosing the right stabilizer can make all the difference in capturing smooth, professional-looking footage. Today, we'll delve into the features, specifications, and overall performance of these two devices. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit boasts advanced 3-axis stabilization, making it ideal for serious content creators, while the AOCHUAN M2 Pro offers a more budget-friendly, versatile solution with its 2-axis design and integrated selfie stick. Let's see how they stack up against each other. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit features a robust 3-axis stabilization system, ensuring smooth and cinematic footage even during dynamic movements. This advanced stabilization technology is perfect for professional videographers who require the highest quality in their shots. In contrast, the AOCHUAN M2 Pro utilizes a simplified 2-axis stabilization system, which is more portable but may not provide the same level of smoothness, especially during complex movements. While the AOCHUAN is great for casual use, the Hohem is designed for those who demand precision and quality. One of the standout features of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is its ultra-wide-angle mode, which allows users to capture expansive shots without the gimbal motors obstructing the lens. This is particularly useful for wide landscape shots or group videos. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN M2 Pro offers an app-free AI face tracking feature, making it incredibly user-friendly for vlogging and live streaming. This built-in recognition camera simplifies the setup process, allowing users to focus on their content rather than technical adjustments. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is positioned at $109, reflecting its advanced features and professional-grade performance. This price point may be justified for serious content creators who need reliable stabilization for their projects. Conversely, the AOCHUAN M2 Pro is priced at just $56, making it an attractive option for casual users or those just starting in mobile videography. While it may lack some of the advanced features of the Hohem, its affordability and versatility make it a solid choice for everyday use. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the AOCHUAN M2 Pro offer unique advantages catering to different audiences. The Hohem is perfect for those seeking high-quality stabilization and advanced features, while the AOCHUAN provides a budget-friendly and versatile solution for casual users. Depending on your filming needs and budget, either gimbal could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.